In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your software stack in ClickUp. If your tools and services live in spreadsheets, emails, or someone's memory, this is for you. We're going to set up a simple, reliable structure in ClickUp so you can see every tool you use, what it's for, and what needs to happen next, all in one place. We'll start by creating a dedicated space for your software stack. This keeps everything separated from other teams and projects and gives you a clean home for tracking tools, vendors, licenses, and processes. In your ClickUp sidebar, click the plus button to create a new space. Think of a space as a container. It's big enough to hold lists, tasks, and all the details you'll add later without mixing them into unrelated work. Next, give your space a clear name. You can go broad, like software stack, which works well company-wide, or get very specific, like marketing tools or engineering tooling if you want to organize by department. Choose whatever will make it easy for teammates to understand what belongs here. Once you're happy with the name, click Continue to move on. Inside that space, you'll make a list that captures all the tasks related to your software stack. Each task will represent a tool, a related action, or a piece of work you need to track. Things like researching a new platform, renewing a subscription, or standardizing onboarding steps. Start typing in each task you need. Enter the first item, perhaps your main CRM, analytics platform, design tool, or anything else you rely on. Use clear titles so they're easy to scan later. For example, evaluate analytics options, renew support tool subscription, or document onboarding for project management app. After you type the task name, save it so it's added to the list. Keep going and add another task. Think through your stack from end to end. Communication, project management, engineering, marketing, sales, finance, security, and any niche tools. Add each one as its own task and save. As you go, you can include notes in the task description, like the tool's purpose, URLs, owners, and important dates. Short, consistent phrasing makes everything easier to manage at scale. Save each task as you create it. Add another. Save again. Repeat this rhythm until you've captured your full software picture. When you're finished, click. Save on your final entry. That's it. You now have a centralized, searchable view of your software stack in ClickUp. Thanks for watching.